We'll guide you through how to use a Namecheap hosting promo code to save some money on your purchase. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to namecheap.com. Once you're there, navigate to the hosting section at the top of the page. Choose the type of hosting you need, whether it's shared hosting, WordPress hosting, or VPS. Select the plan that fits your needs and click on Get Started or Add to Cart depending on the hosting type. You'll be taken to the checkout page where you can review your order. Now, here comes the fun part. Look for the field that says Promo Code on the checkout page. It's usually right under your order summary. Enter your promo code in this box. Make sure you type it in exactly as it appears, as promo codes are case-sensitive. After entering the code, click on the Apply button next to the field. You should see the discount applied immediately to your total. Double-check the final price to ensure that the discount has been correctly applied. If everything looks good, proceed to enter your account details or sign in if you already have an account. Continue with the payment process by entering your payment details and completing the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully used a Namecheap hosting promo code to save on your order. Always keep an eye out for promo codes, as they can offer significant savings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.